Hey there, folks. Good to have you here. My name's Tom, and I've been working with wood for close to 30 years now. Cabinetry, framing, custom furniture, you name it, I've built it. Now, I'm not the kind of guy who usually sits in front of a camera, but I felt I needed to speak on this because it's something that honestly caught me off guard in the best way. I'm talking about Ted's Woodworking. Now listen, when you've been in the trade as long as I have, you've seen every kind of plan, guide, and how-to book out there. Most of them, pretty disappointing. Either the measurements are off, the instructions are vague, or it's just fluff that looks nice on paper but falls apart when you're standing in the shop. That's exactly why I didn't think much of Ted's Woodworking when I first heard about it. But a younger guy I've been mentoring brought it up, so I figured I'd take a look just to see if it was the usual junk. Turns out it's not. It's actually the most complete and well-organized set of woodworking plans I've come across. And that's saying something. What you get is over 16,000 detailed project plans. And these aren't just sketches thrown together. These are proper professional-grade blueprints with step-by-step instructions, material lists, cut diagrams, the whole works. It's the kind of stuff that lets you hit the ground running without second-guessing your every move. Now, obviously, there's no ingredients like you'd have with a supplement or anything, but the content here is what makes the program what it is. Once you buy it, you get lifetime access, so you can download the plans and get to work right away. No waiting on shipping, no monthly fees, no gimmicks. It's simple. You pick what you want to build, print out the plans, and get to work. What really impressed me is that it's not just for guys like me who've been doing this a while. I could hand this to someone who's never built a birdhouse and they'd have a fighting chance. It's laid out clearly, no technical jargon, just good solid instruction. And for those of us with some years under the belt, it's a gold mine of inspiration. I've even picked up a few tips and tricks that I hadn't thought of before, which, at my age, doesn't happen that often. The price? Honestly, it's a steal. I've paid more for one detailed furniture plan than I did for this entire library, and this gives you thousands. Plus, video walkthroughs, shop setup guides, finishing techniques, a whole toolbox of knowledge, really. Now, I do need to warn you about one thing, and I mean this. Do not try to buy this from Amazon or some third-party site. I've seen guys get burned with knockoff versions that are missing half the content. The only place you should be buying Ted's Woodworking is from the official website. I'll leave the proper link down in the description so you can check it out without getting scammed. So look, if you're serious about woodworking, whether you're just picking up the craft or you've been at it for decades, like me, this program is worth having in your back pocket. It's the kind of resource that makes the work smoother, the builds better, and the shop just a little less frustrating. All right, that's all from me. Appreciate you watching. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try to get back to you between jobs. And if you're ready to build smarter, head over to the official link and take a look. Take care and keep making sawdust.